Hey guys, today I have these Aquarius Nails for you, and sadly I have to come to an end of my horoscope series. I've painted all the zodiacs now, well, minus that new confusing one, Ophiuchus, I don't know. I have absolutely loved doing this series, and I was always excited and look forward to painting that month's sign. And honestly, I think some of these zodiac sign nails were some of my favourite manis I painted last year. But anyway, for the Aquarius mani, I came up with this smushy base with stamping. And for the last time, I looked up what colours are for Aquarius, and I used the same website that I've used for this whole series. And apparently the Aquarius colours were Aquamarine and Turquoise. So I was like, okay, that's cool. Until I googled the colours. Like, Aquamarine and Turquoise are like almost the same colour. So to decide what colours I was going to use, I opened up my Snaps account where I catalogue all my nail polish, and I searched Turquoise and Aquamarine, and it literally came up with these polishes. So I hope you enjoy. So the first thing I did was apply 2 coats of Turquoise Dream, and this is an inexpensive polish from Primark, and I don't know if they still sell them or not. Same with all the other colours I'm using in the smushy base. So for a smushy base, I normally apply 1 coat of the base polish, but because this is quite sheer, I applied 2. Then I applied a layer of liquid latex to my cuticles to protect it from the smushing. Using my silicone mat, I applied a few dots of each polish to the mat, keeping them relatively close together, so like they look more like a cluster of dots. And then while the polish is still wet, I took my crystal clear stamper and I lightly swirled it in the polish to mix it together before pressing into the polish. And then you dab the stamper on your nail until you create the smushy base. Careful that the polish will start to dry at this point, so you want to act fast. If you're still not happy with the base, then try a second coat of smushing. Once I was happy with the base, I peeled off my liquid latex before it goes dry, otherwise you get all crusty bits around it. And then with a brush and acetone, I just cleaned up the smushy mess. Now with my Moyu London Zodiac 01 plate and a turquoise mint stamping polish, but both from Moyu London, I stamped the jug of water with the star sign on it, and then I stamped that on my middle finger. Then I stamped the man holding a jug, and then went and stamped that on my ring finger. Then I stamped the lady with the jug, and I stamped that on my index finger. And then lastly, with the same plate and polish, I stamped the cool wave pattern, and I stamped that on my pinky. Finally, to seal this design, I used my smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, my Aquarius nails. And these came out okay. They're not the best I've done, but they suit the theme, especially with the smooshy base. It kind of looks like a fancy water painting. I'm sad that this series is ending, and I really enjoyed doing it. Let me know if you've enjoyed watching these videos too. Give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe. Subscribe would be good. And I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!